Hi everyone, welcome to this app. If you want to make money online, I'll be showing the full few steps you'll be following and the full tutorial on how to do that on this video. So the first thing you want to do when you land on this app, you'll be seeing a bonus balance like this, but you haven't signed up. So I'm going to show you how to sign up, and if you want to also withdraw the bonus into your dashboard and also into your account, this button down here is for that, but I'll be showing you everything step by step. But first of all, we want to sign up. Just to sign up, let's close this pop-up and you scroll down. Down here you see a menu. So these are menu options. So when you scroll to, you're going to see the login. Click on the login option in that menu. So if you scroll down here, before I continue, you can see these are testimonials from different people. You can watch these testimonials to doubt the legitimacy of this app, and also I'll show you how you can withdraw your money, everything in this video. So the first thing you want to do is input your email. Now before you input your email, if you already have an account, you can use this button down here to log in your account, else you can proceed to sign up. Okay, so you want to input your email, you click on proceed. An OTP will be sent to the email. As you can see written here, it said an OTP has been sent to your email, so check your inbox or the spam folder. So let's go to our email. As you can see, this is an OTP from them. So open it, copy your OTP code, go back to the app, paste it. If you didn't receive the OTP, do not forget to click here to resend. You can see the resend button up there. Do not forget to click there for resend. But I have received mine. Then set your password. Your password must be 10 in length. Okay, 10 characters in length. Okay, you can use anything of your choice, but make sure it's up to 10, and write it down somewhere so you won't forget it. Then you input your name, and you proceed to input your phone number. So do not forget that you don't need to add your country code at the front of your phone number. You just need to input the 11 digits phone number. Okay, select your gender. Now here you want to input your bank account details or withdrawal of your funds. To withdraw your funds, select a bank, input the bank account number. Now if you were referred by someone, you can input the person's referral ID up here. And how you get your referral ID, if you scroll through this menu, this affiliate marketing section, you click there. When you're logged in, your referral ID will appear here, and if you're not logged in, it won't appear. These are your referral links. We'll get to that shortly. And on this app, you get 1,000 naira per person you refer. So let's go back to signing up. So after inputting our phone number and account number, click on proceed to create your account. Now you can see the error on the screen. The user with the same bank account info already exists. You should know that you are not allowed to create multiple accounts on this app. This is to prevent fake sign-ups, so that anyone you refer will be legitimate. So the account number in question, I know I've used it before this tutorial, and I'm trying to show you in case you see this kind of error. So all you have to do, if you see this kind of error on the screen, you change your account number. And another thing, make sure the name you are using for signing up matches the name of your account number to avoid payment issues. Okay, so after inputting your account number, click on proceed. Now the sign up has been successful. Now if you observe, you can see every balance up here is 0. That is because I've not earned anything. This is a new account. So to earn, there are things you will do, which is simply watching this video right here. You play the video, you earn. Okay, and if you want to go to the next task, you click here. It will take you to the next task. By doing so, I click next task, it opens the next task automatically. Okay, click again, it opens the next task automatically. Now you look at the amount I will earn per task I'm doing, and do not forget to read the rules down here. These are the rules by playing this video up here. Now to do a task, you can either click on this button or you click on this button, and as you can see, the amount you earn has already been written down there. So I'll click on the play button. Takes me to TikTok. It looks like it's a TikTok task. Now do not forget that you will have to like, comment, save and share. Okay, so do not forget, those are the most important things. So I'm saving it right now. by clicking on this save button, and it has been saved. I've liked it before, I've commented, I've also shared. So make sure you do everything by doing the tasks, and the social media account you are using to do these tasks, take note of it, because it might be asked later. So go back here to the app. Now you can see down here that this button has changed to get paid. So click on that button, and as simple as that, I've been paid. If you proceed to go here, you will see that my balance has increased to 200. Okay, now sometimes you might do a task and your balance doesn't increase. Do not forget to go down here and reload the page using this reload button. Okay, so take note of that. So earnings on this app is not limited. Now let's proceed to talk about how to refer. If you want to refer, if you're interested in affiliate marketing, as you can see, these are the menu down here. Okay, now we are under the affiliate marketing section. As you can see, I've referred 0% on this account, and as I told you earlier, this is definitely your referral ID. This is your referral ID. Now if you want to refer people to sign up through their website, here is your referral link. We also have a referral link for Telegram. This is your Telegram referral link to take you directly to their bot on Telegram. When the person signs up through their bot on Telegram, it's automatically recorded for you here. Also, your 1000 is paid instantly. Now if you proceed to scroll down, you can see you can read this instruction yourself. You get paid 1000 per person instantly as they sign up. Okay, now you can withdraw the money also. Now let's proceed to talk about how to deposit and how to withdraw. Now first of all, let me do some tasks on this account to make sure that I've earned up to the minimum withdrawal limit. Now let me pause this video and proceed to start earning up to 5,000 naira, up to 10,000 naira, sorry, as this is a new account. Then we'll proceed to withdraw together. Okay, pause the video right now. Alright, welcome back. Now as you can see, I've been earning for a while now, and the balance up here is about 11,400, and all these earnings were done just today. Okay, we have unlimited earning here. There's no limit to the amount you can earn. So let's proceed to look for this deposit session and deposit. Now let's deposit. Okay, to deposit, all you have to do is input the amount you want to deposit, and let's say 2,000 naira, right? To fund, now you click on fund to take you to the deposit page where you fund your account. Now we're on the deposit page, and as you can see, 2,000 naira. We have the money deposit options here. You can deposit with card, which is direct here, or you can pay with transfer. Now there's something you should know about paying with transfer. Once you click on this pay with transfer, an account number will be generated for you, and that account number is only valid for one transaction. Okay, so proceed to make payment into that account number only once. If you go here, you can see this fully written here that this is a one-time account number that expires in 30 minutes. So you make payment into this account number within that given time frame. Do not send more or less than the amount you inputted that you want to deposit, which is up there, so that your payment can be automatically confirmed. Once after depositing, just click I have transferred the money, and automatically your payment will be confirmed and to be credited into your dashboard. Now let me proceed to do that. Okay, I'll pause the video. Everything I've explained to you is exactly what I'm going to do, nothing more, nothing less. I'm not sending more than this 2,000 naira, and I'll be sending it into this account number written here. The bank is one my bank. As of the time of this video, your account number might be different from my own, so take note of the bank and the account number, and also the account name that will reflect. Now you take note. Let me start again. Take note of this bank account. Okay, only don't save this account number, only use it this once. Okay, then take note of the name that will appear, take note of the bank, and this account number should not be used more than this given time frame there. Then don't send more than the amount written up here. Okay, so after paying, click on I have paid. Once you click on I have paid, your money will be have transferred, your money will be credited automatically. So simple. So let me do that right now, very quick. So we're back from depositing. Once you scroll down on the deposit page, you're going to see this button down here. Click here to reload the page after deposit. Now that's what I'm going to proceed to do. Click there, the page will reload. Check your balance section. Okay, now allow the page to reload, which it has done. Now, if you proceed to check your balance section, which is here, but you scroll to the left, to the right, you are going to see deposits here. You can see my 2,000 has been successfully added, fast and simple. Okay, there is nothing here that I've not shown you. Now you proceed to withdraw your money right now. You proceed to withdraw your money. So let's click on cash out. Input the amount you want to withdraw. So now guys, let's proceed to withdraw earnings from this app and see if it will work. Let's check if our transfer has been successfully credited. Oops, as you can see, perfectly in. Okay, as simple as that. It came in instantly. No delay, no deny. So if you follow everything the way I've directed you, you should be able to withdraw your money and your earnings instantly, just like me. So that's all for this tutorial. If you have any question, feel free to click on this WhatsApp icon floating by the side here, bottom here. Click on that WhatsApp icon to take you to a quick guide on how to join. And if you have a question, these are contact links for Telegram live chat. Join the Telegram channel and group so that you'll be hearing everything that is happening. And don't forget, you earn 1,000 naira per person. They have free class all down here. You can contact them if you want to put your social media up here so that you'll be getting free engagements with your earnings and also with your deposits. If you want to pay and get your social media up there so that you'll be getting engagement, live viewers, likes, comments, followers, anyone. And also you have the affiliate marketing option, so you can get affiliate earnings of 1,000 naira per person you refer to join. Okay, so simple as that. You can refer people through Telegram and also to the website. That's all for this video. If you have any question, feel free to ask the support and they'll be there to answer. Thank you and enjoy.